Most people think they need money to make money. That's the biggest lie we've been sold. The truth is, wealth doesn't start in your wallet, it starts in your mind. You can be broke today, but if you think like the rich, you're already halfway there. Every rich person you admire started with nothing, but they had one thing in common. They stopped thinking like the broke. See, poor people focus on surviving. The rich focus on building. Poor people spend to look rich. Rich people invest to stay rich. The difference isn't money, it's mindset. The first step to building wealth from zero is simple. Stop thinking in hours and start thinking in assets. Every hour you trade for money should help you buy something that earns while you sleep, whether it's a skill, a business, or an investment. The second step, master your expenses. Most people are not broke because they don't earn enough. They're broke because they can't keep what they earn. The goal isn't just to make more money, it's to keep more money. Cut what doesn't grow you. Every dollar saved is a seed. Plant it wisely. Third, learn a high-income skill. If you're starting from zero, you don't need capital, you need capability. Learn something the market values: copywriting, coding, design, sales, video editing, anything that solves a problem. Because when you become valuable, money chases you. Then comes investing. When your first few dollars start rolling in, don't waste them. Most people buy liabilities. You buy leverage. Don't buy things that lose value. Buy things that create value. Start small. ETFs, index funds, side businesses, whatever you can sustain. The goal isn't to get rich quick. It's to build a machine that works for you. And yes, it's going to be hard. You'll fail, you'll doubt yourself, and you'll be tempted to quit. But remember, the price of freedom is consistency. If you stay broke long enough to learn the rules, you'll never stay broke again. Here's the biggest secret. Wealth doesn't come from luck, timing, or inheritance. It comes from discipline. The discipline to delay gratification. The discipline to keep going when results are invisible. The discipline to invest in yourself even when it hurts. You don't need a rich family, you need rich habits. So if you're starting from zero today, start building like someone who's already free. Wake up early, learn relentlessly, save aggressively, invest consistently, and stay patient when others panic. Because the truth is, wealth isn't built by the smartest or the fastest. It's built by the ones who simply don't quit. So next time someone tells you you need money to make money, smile and remember, every millionaire started with zero, but they never stayed there. Your bank account might be empty, but your potential isn't. The moment you believe that, your journey to wealth has already begun.